It's a mini tornado.
You got it. Cool.
Look at the little dinosaur.
Would it work with hot water and hot water, Octavia?
No.
Mm-mm. Would it work with cold water and cold ice?
No.
No. Why is that? Because a tornado needs what?
Hot water and hot water.
Hot air
Hot
and
air,
cold
hot
air.
Water, and cold water.
No, not water. Air.